Right then, it's giveaway time. I've got some stuff to give away. This Cat SDS 18 volt cordless hammer drill. Comes with a pretty good Cat solid Cat carry case to go with it. And also 18 volt multi-tool. This is the chance now to get involved with the giveaway. All the ground source pipe work now has all been dug out in that field there. So I'm here to do plumbing feeds, hot, cold, secondary, bathrooms and everything in this plot here. Now, interestingly enough, this used to be Jasper Carrot's house. If you're young, ask your mum or dad. And if you're old, you'll know what I mean. I mean, it's just a bit of a piss take from Vauxhall really, that I've had to have my van back in again, and they've given me that as a courtesy car. Right, hope you're well. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone had a good weekend. If anyone follows me on Instagram, they will know that my working week started at 5 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, an hour before Sunday's video went live. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll add it down here. But basically, I did a sort of a Instagram live of a call out I had at 5 o'clock. A guy was doing a little bit of DIY at home, putting some floorboards down, and we all know what's happened. He's nailed through the 22mm hot feed in the house. So he had a water pissing out everywhere, so I gave him a little trick to stop the water and got over there. I filmed it all, so that will be on an upcoming video coming soon, maybe in a week or so's time. So keep an eye out for that, because I think it'll be a pretty good video. I think you'll all enjoy it. Also, stay tuned, because at the end of this video I'm going to be giving you the details how to win the Cat 18 volt SDS cordless drill and multi-tool. A lot of people have asked about that. I've teased a giveaway for a couple of weeks or so, but I was waiting till we got to 13,000 subscribers, and I think we'll be at that by the time this video goes out. So keep watching to the end of the video and I'll give you all the details on how to get involved with that. What else do I need to tell you? Something big's coming up in the summer. I keep teasing that, but again, we can't say too much about that until I think it's the end of this month. It'll be going out, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know all about that, because it will be here, there and everywhere. So anyway, I'm waffling now. I've got the Trade Legends podcast to listen to. If you don't subscribe to the Trade Legends podcast, I'll put a link in the description below, but we've got that to listen to on the way to the first job, which is over at the barn, as per usual, tying things up there. So let's crack on with the day. As per usual, on a Monday morning, we're back at the barn. Barn's there, the sun's out in the sky. But what I wanted to show you was, I don't know if you can make it out, but all the ground source pipe work now has all been dug out in that field there. So it's all, I'm not sure how they do it. I've never done ground source, never been involved with it or anything like that, but all that got dug out, all the pipe work got put in, and then from what I can remember, there's a big manifold here that it goes into, and then just two primaries come all the way up here into the barn, all the way through the driveway. So that is right the way down there. Hey Lee, how much pipe work went in there? Do you know how much it was? How much? A kilometre of ground source pipe work. So a kilometre of ground source pipe work went in there. So as I say, it comes up here, there's a manifold there. I had to dig all the way up here, so it comes up here, and then they're the two main primaries that feed off that ground source, then comes into here. Just turn that down a second. Comes into here, behind, or it will come in here, and then Jack is here beginning to put this plant room into place. He's getting all the trunking on, because as we all know, the key with this is getting all your clip stuff in place. If you get all this trunking and conduit and whatnot stuff in, you can get your clips in, and it just makes life a hell of a lot easier. It's just planning it all out. So you've got pressurised tank there, that's the biomass, is it? And then you'll have a low loss header, I assume somewhere around there. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see. I say I've never done like the ground source stuff. I'm sure Jack's done plenty of it. It'd be interesting to see how this is done. So what are you doing? It press fit?
Yeah, press.
So it's all going press fit. So as you all know on the channel, I've never done press fit at all. So when Jack's doing it, I might have a little look over it and see what it's like. But yeah, so that's going in. I've just finished connecting that manifold up that I needed to get some bits for. I think the lads' kitchen's looking just about there or thereabouts. I think he's having granite worktops on there, I'm not sure. But then today we're up here. It's just dead quiet. It seems different because it's so quiet on the job now. But yeah, I just had to pick up a couple more male line to coppers to go on there. Then we're going to come off, connect into there. Then that one's done, and then very soon we'll be fitting that copper bath into this bathroom. There's just a little issue with a light there that's going in that niche. That's being sorted out. As soon as that's sorted out, we can wipe down, clear this room out, and then that copper bath will be going in. And we're sort of getting there then. That'll be this bathroom done, that done, the bathroom in there is done. Sort of due to get the water on. I know some of you will be thinking, why hasn't the water gone on yet? It's all been pressure tested, but I'm just a little nervous that the water hasn't gone on yet, but I'm sure it'll be fine. So we'll crack on, get this manifold finished connecting into here. As I just said, we've finished now connecting this pipework into this manifold. Got these two 28 female line to 22mm coppers to go on there, and then we'll just come off, elbow in, is that the flow? Yeah, flow into there, return into there, and then we'll leave that shut off so that when they finish doing downstairs in the plant room, they can fill it up to this point here, and then we can open that up and go from there. But it's just finishing off these little bits now on this job. It's slowly coming together. There we go, that's the two primaries, flow, return, motorised valve, and two shut-off valves, just to isolate that manifold. And obviously the motorised valve is to be able to shut that manifold off as and when the underfloor heating demand calls for this loops to be on for this bedroom, cloakroom and bathroom. And this also does the stairwell as well out there. So that's that one just about done, plumbing wise. A little bit of an update on the whole van situation. In my last video, one of my last videos, my van went in for a service at Vauxhall and they basically messed up the service, didn't give me what I was meant to have. So to cut a long story short, it's gone back in today, and I said to him, how am I going to work without my van for another day? So they've got the little electric Corsa again. So we've got all the gear in it. Is that Grant board? We're going to be able to get that in the boot aid, are we?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah,
we'll get that in there.
Yeah,
so
pour it in there.
Yeah, we get the boiler in there. Yeah, it just, I mean, it's just a bit of a piss take from Vauxhall really that I've had to have my van back in again, and they've given me that as a courtesy car, but needs must and all that. So there we go. That's the new van for the day. Right, so that's the courtesy car dropped off back at Vauxhall. Got the van back. They've now done the brake fluid and the fuel filter that they missed off the initial service. Bit of a pain in the arse, but they sorted it in the end, I suppose. So you know, it's just a little bit annoying. But anyway, it's done now. Right, what we've got to do, we've got to go and have a look at a little job on a basin at hairdressers in my local town in Warwick. And then we're going to look, this is going to be quite controversial, we're going to look at another job for the builder that I've done the 2 big barns with last summer. He's assured me the job is nothing like the headache that we had on the other job. So I'm going to go over, you know, because at the end of the day, there was never an issue with that builder. He always paid me on time, etc, etc. It was more down to the architect not relaying what was going in to the customer, etc, etc. I will link up in the corner to, you know, go and check it out, the hassle we had with this. But this builder assures me that this job is a lot better. Plus it's a nice big job, so it's worth going to have a look at anyway. Right, let's go and get it. Right, so I've been called out to this hairdressers. They've got a leak coming from, as you can see here, it's just passing through. So what I think it's going to be is this cartridge inside here. I don't think it's a ceramic cartridge, but we'll take it off here, pop that out, get to the grub screw behind there, and just see what's going on. Let's have a look in here, see if there's any isolation valves, and get it shut off. No, looks like it's just a mess of waste pipe, which is never good. Right, what we've got to do here to get this cartridge out the top, you see this is like locking nut ring on the top, that's got to come off. So there's 2 isolation valves there, so we'll shut them off and get to them, and then what we can do is take that locking nut off and take that cartridge out and see if we can get it replaced. But yeah, there's the isolation valve. So what we'll do, drain it, get it drained down, and then try and get that cartridge out. This it looks like, if you look around there, it's absolutely solidly packed in. I've tried to get it off, but it's just not moving. So what I think I'm going to advise them to do with this is just replace the whole tap, because it's just not going to come out. And for the cost of it, I think you can get them for like 50, 60 quid or something like that. So it'd be easy to just replace that, and saves a lot of messing around. So with that job, what I'll do is I'll go away now, get a price for a replacement tap. I had a quick look online when I was in there. I think they're around sort of 50, 60 quid, something like that. But yeah, I'll get a price for replacement tap and labour to change it. It'll only take an hour or so to swap that. So I'll get a price over to her for that, and she's basically said, look, it needs doing, so let me know and we'll get it booked in. But again, little bread and butter jobs. So let's head now over to this job with this builder and see what we've got. From all accounts, it's meant to be a pretty big job, but we'll go and have a look anyway. Right, so I've just been through this job with the builder and the client, just going over where everything needs to be, what they want doing, where bathrooms are going. So I'm here to do, or hopefully to do, the plumbing fees, hot, cold, secondary, and the bathrooms and everything in this plot here. Now, interestingly enough, this used to be Jasper Carrot's house. There's going to be loads of people now going, who? Jasper Carrot was an old comedian from the 80s. Ask, if you're young, ask your mum or dad. And if you're old, you'll know what I mean. But yeah, he lived here. They basically levelled his house and they've built this. So I'll take you briefly in and just show you what we've got upcoming, hopefully. Luckily, all the joists are like this. So it's going to be fairly straightforward. All the heating pipe works in. That's already in the manifold position. So we're going to be running hot and colds and secondary hots just through these joists. This is the kitchen. Huge, massive kitchen area. I think this is a utility room. Little cloak room in there. But as we go upstairs, you know, we've got soil pipes and waste pipes ready to go up. But I'll take you upstairs. This is going to be one bathroom. It don't mean a lot at the minute, but there's going to be a massive shower at the end, twin sinks, toilet, plenty of space. Yeah, this is another bathroom. I have to think there. Another bathroom. We're going to have a bath there, corner bath there, shower, basins. It's just a nice size to get my head into. Everything seems fairly normal with it. Another bathroom here. as I said, it's going to be, it looks to be a nice job. Nice, clean, plenty of room for parking, that always helps. And then we've got top floor, got a bathroom going in there, or an ensuite going in there, shower this end, basin, toilet, and then, is it in here? Yeah, this one's going to be another bathroom. There's going to be, I think, a shower here, toilet somewhere, toilet on there I think, basin. So that's just a little brief rundown of this job. I don't know if I've got it yet. What I've got to do is go away, work out timing, just to see really if I can make it work time wise. I'd like to, because it seems to be a nice job, and then get back to John the Builder and sort of see where we can go from there. But it's just a nice job that I can hopefully make work time wise. Time wise is going to be the key at the minute. I think they want to try and be in by August, so we'll see what we can do. It's a nice old build, I think. Right then, it's giveaway time. As I said at the start of the video, I've got some stuff to give away. This Cat SDS 18 volt cordless hammer drill, proper bit of kit that is. I've been using it at the barn renovation and it is spot on. Not had an issue with it. So I've got one of those to give away and a carry case. Comes with a pretty good Cat solid Cat carry case to go with it. And also a Cat 18 volt multi-tool. Again, I've been using this for a good couple of weeks at the barn renovation. It's been spot on, hasn't missed a beat, variable speed on it, it's good as gold. So I've got those two to give away to someone, and I've also got, if you look in the description, I've also got 10% off if you want to go and buy one multi-tool SDS drill. It's 10% off, link in the description below. Hit the subscribe button to the channel, get subscribed. You've got to be subscribed to the channel to be in with a chance of this. So get subscribed if you're not subscribed. Drop me a comment below, and I'm going to put a keyword in to let me know that you've watched this and to help me so that I can pull out a random person to win it. So the keyword you've got to comment with is hashtag Real World Plumbing. So put that in the comments below, and I will give it a week or so. I'll add this into a couple of other videos so more people can get the chance to win this, because a load of people have commented saying, oh, please put me in it, please put me in the giveaway. This is the chance now to get involved with the giveaway. So get subscribed to the channel, comment, hit the like button, and you've got to comment hashtag Real World Plumbing to be in with a chance of winning this. So wish everyone luck with it, and I shall pull a random name out of a generator and let you know exactly who it is, probably in about a week and a half's time. So hashtag Real World Plumbing, subscribe, comment below, hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one.